May drawing na pa. Hindi po.
Mark tayo. Mark. Good evening. So we are free. And we will going to discuss the difference between math interest and problem solving. So, ang team ganito, incorporation na version. And si Willie, yung parang picture, at ako si Zelda, si Sherry, to Justin. Si Justin yung nakatapos.
Picture.
May bata.
So, ako na yan.
Pero dito ako hindi ganyan. Problem solving o matindi. Okay? For the thing, bubulot ako. Kung ano bang kadalong yan.
Isa pa, sayo ka pa.
Sanay na pagkawal sa gabi.
Ano? Okay, muna na muna. Okay, back in bed.
Sabi ng nanay ko. Magic ba? It is an open-ended process.
Yes. Okay, next. Next ulit. Sunod.
Ano sabi niya?
Hindi makita sa screen.
Problem solving is a convergent activity that involves the solution of the problem.
Wow.
Okay, palakpakan, dalawa. Okay, palakpak. Ang first natin, one all. Siyempre, lalo na sila dito. Bisip natin, okay? Akala ko bisip. Bisip na kalagay. Kaya natin nila yung ano yung... Okay.
Okay, so we did this.
Yeah.
Mukha mo lang.
Ano yan?
Hindi ko sa Okay, kasama ka.
Isa pa.
To sum it up, we have to find the difference between the problem solving and the medicine. And I want to take our number today because I can attend the last.
Wow, public apology.
Last class, so I can able to participate in our supposed presentation. But I will here to do my part. Okay. Okay, so problem solving and the math investigation. So one of the different situations. So halos lahat naman ang sabi ng mga nagtaman ko, but I just want to say our part. Sorry. Okay, it is again then activity. So, pag sinabi natin divergent, it is diverse.
Maladad.
Marami tayong pwedeng makuhang solution or marami tayong pwedeng makuhang investigation from a certain case. While here naman sa problem solving, here is that, you know, guys, parang to get the solution, to get the solution for a certain problem. But there are so many solutions for us to investigate the solution. Okay. So it's just like analyzing a case. It's investigating a case. There are, tagalogin ko na lang. Parang sa isang kaso, parang hindi ka lang naghahanap ng isang solusyon. Naghahanap ka rin ng mga iba't ibang details or yung link sa isang case na nabuta ko ng word. Na para napupunta kayo sa isang parang solving problema, di ba? Sa isang ano ka ako? Na-distract? Para sa isang case, while processing to finding a solution, there are some instances that the one who find the solution, marami siyang para segue siya, para maraming ways na para nagtuturo sa kanya to get yeah, that's what I want to bring.
Problema na, problema.
Ako din ba? Ako po.
Yung solution.
You know, so problem solving. There are so many solutions for a certain problem, but you're only focusing for one thing. Yes, many solutions, but the goal is to solve the problem. That's there are many solutions, of course, but the aim of problem, yes, what is the aim is to solve the problem.
Ay, ito rin namin